Hello! Today we're going to show you how to replace the display board on your Perfect Aire Mini Split's indoor wall unit. First, lift the front panel of the unit. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, unscrew the cover on the control board and remove the cover. Unplug the display board and pull the wire free from the interior of the unit. Unscrew the display board and pull it free. Once you have your replacement, it's as easy as screwing it back in place, plugging it in, and closing up the unit. And now your mini split is ready to run. Thanks for watching.